Easy now, easy.
Gate closing. Clear the area.
All secure.
Scan and auscultation normal. Dental check clear. Proceeding with standard vaccination protocol.
Inside this highly regulated facility, every step is carried out under strict hygiene and safety standards to ensure quality and compliance.
Once processed, the carcass moves along an advanced overhead rail system, ensuring efficiency and minimal human contact.
Trained professionals carefully separate the hide, preserving it for further use in the leather production department.
The meat is thoroughly washed using purified high-pressure water systems to maintain strict cleanliness standards. Nothing goes to waste. The hide is transferred directly to the leather unit for cleaning and preservation.
Every surface is carefully cleaned to remove impurities and prepare the meat for precise cutting.
Advanced cutting machines divide the meat into standard portions with remarkable precision.
Quantities. Skilled butchers refine each cut, ensuring consistency and premium quality.
The processed cuts are organized systematically before moving to the next inspection stage.
Each portion passes through metal detection systems to guarantee maximum safety. From sorting, the meat travels directly to the packaging area in a seamless automated flow. Vacuum sealing technology locks in freshness and extends shelf life.
Every package is labeled with detailed traceability information to ensure transparency and trust.
The sealed products are carefully packed into cartons, ready for cold storage.
Inside temperature-controlled cold storage, the products remain preserved until shipment. Inside temperature-controlled cold storage, the products remain preserved until shipment. Digital systems continuously monitor temperature to maintain optimal preservation conditions.
Heavy-duty forklifts move the frozen inventory efficiently across the warehouse. Finally, refrigerated trucks are loaded and sealed, ensuring the cold chain remains unbroken during transportation.
In the leather division, the hides are thoroughly washed inside massive rotating drums to remove impurities.
A preservation process begins immediately, where salt treatment prevents decomposition and prepares the hides for tanning. Inside these giant tanning barrels, chemical solutions transform raw hides into durable leather.
After tanning, the leather is dyed and hung in climate-controlled chambers for uniform drying.
The result is strong, textured camel leather, known for its durability and premium finish.
Computer-guided cutting machines shape the leather into precise patterns with minimal waste.
Experienced craftsmen assemble the pieces into premium leather goods. Even the camel's fiber is collected and sorted for textile production.
Drying chambers reduce moisture while preserving softness.
The fibers are washed carefully to remove dust and natural oils. Combing machines align the fibers, preparing them for spinning.
In the textile department, the fabric is transformed into warm quilts and bedding products.
Strong stitching ensures durability and long-lasting warmth. Each quilt undergoes inspection to meet strict quality standards. Once approved, the quilts are carefully packed and prepared for market delivery.
Specialized grinders convert bones into reusable byproducts. Remaining bones are processed separately for industrial and agricultural uses. Fat is rendered in sealed tanks to create valuable secondary products.
Throughout production, laboratory technicians test samples to ensure safety and compliance. Management tracks daily output and ensures smooth coordination across units.
Routine maintenance guarantees consistent performance and workplace safety.
Behind every operation is a trained workforce dedicated to maintaining high standards.
Cleanliness and organization remain a priority throughout the facility.
Continuous monitoring guarantees adherence to national and international safety regulations.
After each cycle, sanitation teams ensure every surface meets hygiene standards.
Protective gear is regularly replaced to prevent contamination.
Behind the scenes, documentation teams prepare export certifications and shipping approvals.
Automated wrapping systems secure cartons for safe transportation. Even as the sun sets, operations continue inside the illuminated complex. Around the clock, the factory maintains steady output to meet demand.
Robotics enhance speed and precision within the packaging department. Each shipment is sealed and certified before international transport. From factory to retail, the cold chain guarantees freshness. Consumers receive products that meet strict quality standards.
Airtight packaging preserves texture, flavor, and safety.
Modern technology reduces waste while maximizing efficiency.
Every accessory is carefully packaged to maintain its premium quality.
Even distribution of filling ensures balanced warmth. Reinforced stitching enhances durability and longevity. Daily sanitation procedures conclude each production shift.
Proper drainage systems prevent contamination risks.
Polishing enhances both appearance and durability of leather goods.
Finished textile products await delivery to distributors.
The journey continues as products head toward national and international markets.
Final checks are completed before dispatch.
From raw materials to finished goods, this integrated facility demonstrates efficiency, technology, and complete resource utilization.